I'm Dr. Eric Snow with Snow Holistic Health, and today we're asking the question, is Candida still stealing your energy? So first is, what is Candida? Candida albicans is a fungal organism that is a normal part of your gut ecology or your gut flora. And when we eat the wrong foods, high carbohydrates, processed foods, high sugar, or we have to go on antibiotics or steroids, we can disrupt this very delicate ecology in our gut, cause a pH shift, cause a decrease in our good bacteria, probiotics, and Candida albicans will overgrow. And a lot of females have experienced this after antibiotics or steroids. You might all of a sudden get a yeast infection. And so people always ask the question, well, where did that come from? And the truth is, it was already there, but we get out of balance and it causes some really nasty issues. And different indicators for Candida, you can take a look at your tongue. If there's a bit of a white coat, that can be an indicator of the severity of Candida overgrowth in your gut. And definitely you could have what's called thrush, which is Candida in the mouth. But what we found is there still is a root issue also in the gut. If it's in the mouth, then the gut's out of balance as well. If you're a female and you're getting chronic yeast infections, you definitely have a gut dysbiosis problem. So your bacteria is disrupted and you have an overgrowth of Candida. But it does some really nasty things. When it gets too high of a population, the mycotoxins that they release in your body cause inflammation. This can be across the board. Many people that have things that are similar to like a rheumatoid or fibro can actually have this overgrowth of Candida, or you could be diagnosed with autoimmune, and just reducing the Candida overload in your body can really make those conditions so much more manageable. But other things are decrease in libido, sex drive, brain fog, energy problems, and can even contribute to high cholesterol as well. And so many people have told me, they've come in as patients that are aware of this gut dysbiosis, probiotic deficiency, Candida overgrowth, and they've done anti-Candida diets, which are basically, you're going to take the food out of your diet that they thrive on, which is going to be sugar, or anything that turns into sugar. And so that's breads, pastas, cereal, fructose, too much fruit, just plain old white sugar, processed sugar. And so these patients will do an elimination diet of that, and then they start to feel better, their symptoms start to go away. But as soon as they go back to the regular diet, it flares right back up again. And what we have learned about Candida and other stubborn infections of the body is they are able to persist because they can create something called a biofilm. And a biofilm is basically this biological glue. For example, with Candida, as it colonizes and it groups together, they form this biological glue around themselves, and that makes it really hard for the body to get rid of. Even using really potent antimicrobials, antifungals, they can still be pretty resistant, and so that'll protect the colony. And they also use that biological glue to stick to the lumen of your gut or to the mucosal membrane where they might be colonizing. And so we have to use very specific agents to dissolve that biological glue or that biofilm. And we have been using a product that came out sometime earlier this year. It's called Biofilm Pro Balance. And this product was designed to basically go after the biofilm, break up that biofilm so we can expose that infectious organism like Candida albicans and dissolve the attachment that it has to that mucosal membrane or to the lumen of your gut, so we can get rid of that stuff for good and really knock it out. We've seen some great testimonies. I had a patient, she had come in to become a nutrition patient. She was a chiropractic patient, but she had been suffering from irritable bowel syndrome for over a year. She took different meds. She used some steroids, and she would get a little bit of relief, but it just kept coming back. So she was suffering from diarrhea, having 5 to 6 bowel movements a day. So we started her on the Biofilm Pro Balance, and her symptoms resolved right at 2 months. She has normal bowel movements again, and she's doing really well. So pretty powerful to see how products like this Biofilm Pro Balance work. And what it has in it, it has a enzyme that's called alpha amylase, and that enzyme helps to eat away at that biological glue. That biofilm has a special blend of very specific probiotics that also help to go against those biofilms and help re-inoculate that good probacteria in your gut. And then it also has some therapeutics from kale and garlic that go against the biofilm and also act as an antimicrobial. So we've gotten really good results with this product. If you want to learn more about Biofilm Pro Balance, you can click the link in our bio. And we still have a couple of slots left with our end of the summer special. It is a great value. You get your initial exam, your day 2 report of findings, treatment planning, your first chiropractic adjustment, and your therapy as well, customized for that first visit, body composition analysis, pulse star scan, nutritional deficiency screening, all the things we do with our unique holistic exam. You get all that for $95. So call now. We only have a few of those slots left. Hey, if you're sick and tired of being sick and tired, you want to start to build your health versus just manage your health with medications, give our office a call. That's what we do. We find out what's going on with your unique problem, get to the root cause, take a functional approach, a whole body approach, and we get really good results. Give our office a call, 237-478-1313. I'm Dr. Eric Snow, helping you transform your health naturally.